have a review on the common greetings and expressions in Bisaya. So how do you greet someone when around 8 a.m.? So sa alas 8 sa buntag, how do you greet someone? If your answer is maayong buntag, you are correct. How about if it's 4 in the afternoon? If alas 4 sa hapon, how do you greet someone? The correct answer is maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. How about if it's noon? How do you say good noon in Bisaya? The answer is maayong udto. Maayong udto. And how about if it's 6 in the evening? 6 in the evening. How do you greet someone? The answer is maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!